doesn't take all day. Why do we even fly this airline?
Because it's the only one that flies to Crotchlick.
We gotta move out of that town.
Why?
'Cause I can't stand to hear you say the name of it. Come on, hurry up. I don't have all day, you know.
Hello, welcome to No Frills Airways. What can I do for you today?
You can take us home.
Okay, what's the name?
Bubble Pucky.
Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, here we go. Okay, will you be checking your bag today?
No, she's riding with me.
No, sir. I mean, do you have any luggage?
You lost it when you flew us out here.
Oh, that's a pity. Well, here you are, boarding at gate 12. Thank you for flying No Frills.
Up yours, lady. What's that?
That's the buzzer you gotta go through again.
Now what?
You gotta go through again.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What?
You gotta go through again.
Again? Why?
'Cause the buzzer went off.
Oh, well, what does a buzzer mean?
It means you have to go through again. It's a metal detector.
Maybe it's all the lead in his ass.
Shut up, windbag. Ah, come on. Radiation or molestation. That's a tough choice.
Well, not for me.
Slut. Nobody's gonna fondle my package.
Next. Right this way, please. Over here, lady.
Next.
Is this thing safe?
Of course it is. What kind of show do you think we're running here? Ready. We might want to turn that down a bit.
Okay, now just relax.
Aren't you going to take me out to dinner first?
Hey, what's this?
Did you find my keys? Oh.
Is this thing safe?
Yeah, pretty sure. Ready?
Oh, no. Hey, man, I thought you told me this thing was safe. Oh.
Well, thanks, fellas. It's been a lot of fun. What happened to you?
That stupid body scanner zapped me right in the balls.
Is this thing safe? Hey, come look at this.
Oh, wow, man. Hit the breast enhancer. Yeah.
Dude, her head exploded.
What? I wasn't even looking at her head.
Well, I'm gonna go grope some old people. Good luck.
Attention, Flight 13 is now boarding at Gate 12.
Holy crap.
Are you ready to go?
Okay, but you better walk normal or I'm not gonna walk with you.
Where are we gonna sit? Ah, here's a seat over here. I get to sit by the window. Wow, look at those people down there. They look just like ants.
They are ants. We haven't taken off yet.
Attention passengers, this is your captain speaking. We will be taking off now, so everybody hold your breath. Bunthorn, where'd that bottle of rum go?
It's under the seat.
Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will please give me your attention, I will brief you on the safety features of the airplane. In the event of a water landing, your seat cushion...
Water landing? You mean when we crash into the ocean?
Sir, there's a big difference between a water landing and crashing into the ocean.
Yeah, when you're a seagull, but when you're an airplane, it's called crashing into the ocean.
Sir, you're scaring the other passengers.
Ah, shut up, woman.
We are not going to crash into the ocean. May I continue?
Okay.
In the unlikely event of a water landing, your seat cushion becomes a flotation device.
Well, that's just great. Bad enough we crash into the ocean. Now you're telling me my only chance for survival is floating around in the ocean, clinging to a cushion full of beer farts?
So that concludes our safety presentation. Enjoy your flight.
Hey, Dad, the guy behind us has a gun.
Well, don't look at him and maybe he won't blow your head off.
Okay.
Hey, you better slow down on that stuff. We still got 17 hours to go.
Relax, Egbert. Have a drink.
Okay.
Are we there yet?
No.
Mom? Dad? You know where I'm supposed to sit?
Get lost, kid.
I am lost.
Well, go be lost someplace else.
Mom, Dad.
You dirtbag.
Yep, we're flying now.
Are we there yet?
No.
What's that smell? I don't know. I think it's that old guy in front of us. Smells like old meatloaf. Old moldy meatloaf. Did we get a barf bag?
Hey, shut up, you brats. You should get some manners.
You should get some deodorant. Yeah, turn around and shut up before I slap your teeth out.
What's wrong with kids these days?
It's all because of that stupid hip-hop music. What with their stupid lyrics and baggy pants.
Ah, shut up.
Are we there yet?
How come you smell like that?
Like what?
Old meatloaf.
Shut up.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We will be starting our in-flight movie shortly. Today's movie is about a bunch of people who must resort to cannibalism after their airplane crashes into the ocean.
Well, that's just great. It just keeps getting better.
This is the co-pilot. The captain just passed out.
What?
Huh? Oh, my steering wheel broke. Attention shoppers, we will experience a bit of turbulence as my steering wheel just fell off.
Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, you knew this flick was gonna end this way, didn't ya?
Hey, what you got there?
Hey, check it out, man. I found this laptop going through some guy's luggage.
Oh, wow, man. Do you know how much you can get for that on eBay?
You know where I'm supposed to sit? Old moldy meatloaf. Attention, Flight 13 is now boarding at Gate 12. Yeah, turn around and shut up before I slap your teeth out.
Are we there yet?
No, sir. I mean, do you have any luggage?
Hey, Bunthorne, where'd that bottle of rum go?
Hey, you better slow down on that stuff. We still got 17 hours to go.
Sir, there's a big difference between a water landing and crashing into the ocean.
It means you have to go through again. It's a metal detector.
Oh, wow, man. Do you know how much you can get for that on eBay?
They are ants. We haven't taken off yet.
Yeah, turn around and
That's pretty bad, though.
We are.
Dude!
Sir, there's a big difference between a water landing.
Think about it, how I would say it.
Yeah.